Most of us will at some point in our lives have a toothache, which is a highly painful ailment. When one consumes or drinks something that is exceedingly cold, hot, or sour, the agony just gets worse. Although there are over-the-counter painkillers for toothaches, natural pain relief methods are most preferable. This is due to the fact that these natural therapies are safer, more accessible, and comparably more effective than over-the-counter medications. Guava leaves are one such widely used natural toothache treatment. How guava leaves help in relieving toothache. Guava leaves are a potent natural remedy for treating tooth pain brought on by bacterial infections and poor dental hygiene. These leaves are a fantastic toothache cure because they are rich in flavonoids, which have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. How to use guava leaves to beat a toothache. Fresh guava leaves are frequently used to treat mouth sores and ease toothaches due to their strong anti-inflammatory properties. Here's how to treat a toothache with guava leaves. Guava leaves should be plucked fresh and clean, new or budding, then chewed so that the juice can reach the tooth's damaged area. A toothache can also be relieved by boiling water with 4 or 5 fresh guava leaves. To get rapid relief from tooth discomfort, add some salt to boiling water and routinely gargle or use it as a mouthwash. Although guava leaves are a useful at-home toothache therapy, if the pain persists or is really excruciating, see a doctor and receive the right care. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.